Hola a todos! Hello everybody, my name is Irina Movsesian and I speak English, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, French and Portuguese. Today I'm so happy to teach you basic words, the words that will help you to answer the question, how are you? When we travel around the world, when we meet people, of course you're gonna ask a question, how are you? Americans, for example, ask it every single hour. So let's dive into the Spanish version of how to respond to ¿Qué tal? How are you? I'm going to give you 6 examples. Please write them down and learn them by heart. First of all, when you want to ask a question, how are you? The easiest way to do it is to ask ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Also, I want to remind you that when you ask a question, you put 2 question marks, one in front, the reversed one, and a normal one, regular one, in the end. ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Also, I want to remind you that L in the Spanish language is very soft. ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Okay, so what can we respond? Perfecto. Perfecto. What do you think it is? In English, it's literally the same word. Perfect. Everything is perfect. I am perfect. Perfecto. Perfecto. The next one. Muy bien. Muy bien. Muy means very. Bien means well. Muy bien, very well. Well, you don't have to say the word very. You can also say just bien. Bien. Gracias. Thank you. I'm well. Bien. So now you know 3 expressions. Perfecto, perfect. Muy bien, very well. Bien, well. Next one. Como siempre. Como means like. Siempre means always. Like always. Okay? Like usually. Nothing changed. ¿Qué tal? Como siempre. Everything is usual. Everything is the same. Como siempre. All together. Como siempre. Como siempre. I know, sometimes it's hard to roll the R's. I mean, I was blessed because I was born Russian, but hey, we can all learn how to roll the R's, okay? Give it time. Give it time. Okay, next one. I see, I see. In the English language, we have this similar expression, so-so. How are you? So-so. Means neither good nor bad, somehow like in the middle, okay? Así, así. ¿Qué tal? Así, así. Next one. Muy mal. So, you see, we go down from the best to the worst. Okay? Muy. We already know this word from here. It's very. Mal. Bad. Very bad. Well, you can also eliminate the word muy and just leave mal. ¿Qué tal? Mal. Bad. Well, and the last one looks exactly like the English version. Horrible. Oof. Horrible. I want to remind you that when you speak Spanish, if H is the first letter, do not pronounce it. Start with the second. Horrible. 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 Okay? And read all the letters. Horrible. Alright? Now we are going to read all of them. ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Perfecto. Perfecto. Muy bien. Muy bien. Como siempre. Como siempre. Así, así. Así, así. Muy mal. Uf. Muy mal. Horrible. Horrible. Let's translate what's written on the whiteboard. Very well. Muy bien. Next one. Horrible. Next one. ¿Qué tal? Así, así. Perfecto. Como siempre. Muy bien. I give private classes. So you can text me at this number +1 323 910 7690 and you can ask for private classes for English, German, Spanish, Italian, Russian, French and Portuguese. You can also send me an email study@instalanguage.online. That's also my website, instalanguage.online, where you can find classes, flashcards, copybooks, books. I am building a language empire. I am inspiring every student that you can learn a new language fast. You can own the language. You can speak the language. You can enjoy the language. My name is Irina Movsesian. Welcome to my classes. I will make you speak the language, whether you want it or not. Bye!